Hello students, welcome back to Study Live. So here we are back with the next and the last topic under the democracy, that is the right to information or RTI 2005. तो ये RTI 2005 या फिर right to information क्या है? By the name itself you are you must be aware about what is right to information, right? क्योंकि हमें बहुत सारे rights के बारे में पता है. There are lots and lots of rights which have been imposed and which we all are aware about, right? So उसमें से एक है right to information. You must be aware. Still we will dig into it and let's learn what is it exactly. Okay. So right to information had come in 2005, RTI Act 2005. Okay, it is not RTO wala act, it is RTI. So don't get confused about those things, because there are lots of students who write RTO instead of RTI. Okay, so RTI is right to information under democracy. Okay, so that is 2005 के under. Okay, let's see what is it. Citizens empowerment is an essential condition of democracy. ये पहले बात तो right to information क्या होता है, यानी सब जानकारी होना चाहिए एज अ सिटीजन टू यू. ओके, यू हैव द राइट, आपके पास वो फ्रीडम है कि जाने की गवर्नमेंट के अंडर क्या हो रहा है, अंदर क्या हो रहा है, आउटसाइड क्या हो रहा है, पीछे क्या हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग यू मस्ट बी अवेयर अबाउट. You are having the right to information not only inside government but in the entire country. Okay, like you have the information, you have the right, you can go and ask what is happening here. Okay, because you are having the right to information under 2005 act. Okay, so this is very very important for you to know कि आपके पास ये like you are having this like act under you, inside you, so that आप पूछ सकते हो कहीं पर भी किसी को भी कि what is happening, because you are having the right to information. If you go to some place or something, आपको कुछ जानकारी चाहिए, you can ask. Okay, that is your right. So citizen empowerment is an essential condition of democracy. Why is what's made? क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट बिलीव करता है कि सिटीजन को एम्पावर करना इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी. सिटीजन के पास पावर होना चाहिए. दैट इज वाई, राइट, सिटीजन्स आर ऑब्वियसली हैविंग पावर. दैट्स वाई वी कैन रिक्रूट पीपल, राइट. दैट्स वाई वी आर सिलेक्टिंग द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, राइट. हम लोग इसीलिए तो इलेक्शंस में वोटिंग करते हैं एंड देन वी सेलेक्ट द पीपल, राइट. We are electing the people out. That is happening because why? That is happening because we are having the power, right? So citizens are empowered. तो ये एक special condition है. We can say it is a essential condition due to which it is happening of the democracy. Okay. Without people, without citizen, there is no representative. Without person, there is no government working. There is no democratic government working without the citizens of the country, especially in India. Okay. Because India is a democratic country with the highest number of voters. Okay, then we are having this. It is necessary to create opportunities for citizens participation and interaction with the government. तो ये क्यों आरटीआई वाला इंफॉर्मेशन जो है ना, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है कि लोगों को गवर्नमेंट से बात करने के लिए एक जरिया मिल जाता है. इट्स लाइक they are having a free flow. Okay, they are not scared of the government. They shouldn't be. Actually, we shouldn't be scared of government. Why are we supposed to be scared of government? They are not monsters or something. उन्हें हमने ही चुना है, right? We have only selected them. We have only elected them. We are only making them stand in front of them, right? So they are supposed to answer us. They have to answer us. Okay, as you have paid for this course, you are standing there. I am supposed to answer you. Same way the government is supposed to answer you. Okay, so that is as clear as that. Same way, it is necessary to create opportunities for the citizens' participation and interaction with the government. तो इसीलिए RTI Act बनाया गया है so that people can contact the government and they can have an interaction with the government. They can get all the information from the government and वो लोग political governance में participate कर सके. Okay, इसीलिए ये act बनाया गया है so that there can be transparency. So that because अगर एक you are going to office, okay, you are going to office to ask about something, as shown in the picture, the person is asking about the water, okay, the water details. पानी का maybe something, okay, it can be anything like पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, or what is the water bill, why is the water bill like this, or something like that. Okay, so the official sitting on the other side, that means the government official जो है उसका कर्तव्य ये है कि he has to answer to you. Okay, there should be a transparency between like above the desk and beyond the desk. It should be there. Okay, उस पार और इस पार एक transparency होना चाहिए, यानी transparent nature होना चाहिए. Okay, so then increased communication between citizens and government helps in strengthening democracy and in building a relationship of trust between them. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, अगर एक कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ जाए और एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी चालू हो जाएगा, लाइक आप जो भी पूछोगे उसका आंसर मैं सच सच बताऊंगी, अगर ऐसा होगा तो व्हाट विल हैपन, एक कम्युनिकेशन बिल्ड हो जाता है ना। सेम वे सिटीजन और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में एक इंटरेक्शन होता है, एक कम्युनिकेशन होता है, ओके एंड उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, इट स्ट्रेंथन्स, ओके एक स्ट्रेंथनिंग चालू हो जाता है। स्ट्रेंथनिंग इन द सेंस इट स्ट्रेंथन्स द बॉन्ड, राइट। सेम वे when you and your best friend, okay, when you and your normal friend, you guys start talking, आप लोग बात करना चालू करते हो, अच्छा खासा इंटरेक्शन हो जाता है, एंड देन यू गाइस स्टार्ट शेयरिंग थिंग्स, राइट, आप लोग अपनी बातें शेयर करते हो, बहुत ज्यादा बॉन्ड अच्छा बन जाता है। उससे क्या होता है, आपका जो बॉन्ड है वो स्ट्रेंथन हो जाता है, एंड फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स यू बिकम बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, ओके। सेम वे अगर सिटीजन्स गवर्नमेंट के साथ बात करता है एंड देन दे स्टार्ट इंटरेक्टिंग, एंड इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो गिविंग यू करेक्ट एंड राइट एंड ट्रू इन नेचर आंसर्स, सच सच बताता है, एंड इट इज लाइक कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, नॉट हाइडिंग एनीथिंग, अगर कुछ छुपा नहीं रहा है, तो उससे क्या होता है, एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है, राइट, अ ट्रस्ट इज बिल्ड, एंड देन क्या होता है, उससे स्ट्रेंथन होता है, लाइक द यू गाइस आर लाइक डिपेंडिंग ऑन द गवर्नमेंट, देन ओके, देन यू से कि गवर्नमेंट, यस दिस गवर्नमेंट इज वर्किंग एंड दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग मी विद ट्रू नेचर, आप लोग सच सच बता रहे हो, तो एक स्ट्रेंथ बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथन हो जाता है, ओके। सो डेमोक्रेसी स्ट्रेंथन होता है एंड इन अ बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप ऑफ ट्रस्ट बिटवीन देम, सो ट्रस्ट and strength is built there, okay, so that is there between the government and the people. Then citizens have a right to know about the functioning of the government, it is there, ये सच है लो, तो इसीलिए RTI एक्ट बना गया, so that people have the authority to talk and understand about the functioning of the government, गवर्नमेंट कैसे फंक्शन कर रहा है, कैसे वर्क कर रहा है, उनके नए नए पॉलिसीज, नए नए इम्पोजेस, जो भी है, whatever the provisions they are giving or not the improvisions or anything, जो भी हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट के अंदर, वो सब जानने का अधिकार है इंसान के पास, like all the people, all the human beings and inside the country are having this right, okay, right to know about the functioning of the government, okay, so that is the thing. Next is the government of India gave the right to information to the citizens of India to ensure what, ये गवर्नमेंट ने ये राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट सिटीजन्स के लिए क्यों बनाया है, ओके, क्योंकि सो दैट देयर इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंसी अकाउंटेबिलिटी। सो व्हाट इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी अकाउंटेबिलिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी अकाउंटेबिलिटी जैसे आई टोल्ड यू, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स में एक्सप्लेन किया व्हाट इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी, राइट। ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज लाइक एक थैली, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ देर यू ऑल go to market and you get vegetables and etc, right, so these vegetable things are given inside a theli, it's given inside a plastic bag or a cover which is transparent, right, आर पार आप देख सकते हो कि अंदर क्या है करके। Same thing is transparency. Same thing that there is a sheet which is transparent in nature. There should be a sheet between you and the government so that you guys can look at each other without hiding anything. तो जो चीजें आपके बीच में होगी वो एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंट होगी so that आप देख सकते हो कि गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रहा है और आप जान सकते हो कि वो लोग क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं and what all the things they are doing. Okay, so you will be aware. And you must be aware about everything that the government is doing. That is transparency, accountability. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने ये इंफॉर्मेशन, ये जो है राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन वाला जो एक्ट, ये पास ऑन किया क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं कि इंडिया के जो सिटीजन्स है, इंडियंस जो है, उनके पास ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी अकाउंटेबिलिटी हो ताकि वो लोग गवर्नमेंट पे ट्रस्ट और उनका जो बॉन्ड है स्ट्रेंथन हो सके सो दैट दे कैन सी व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग एंड व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट वांट्स फ्रॉम देम. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज हैपेंड. So I hope this is clear. Like which are the hallmarks of good governance? So same thing. See, so this is like a hallmark of good governance. अगर एक government अच्छा government है and if the government is very much good, they will do this. That is right to information को वो लोग impose करेंगे and India ने वो impose कर दिया है. But only imposing is not the mark. You have to also make it happen. उसको practice भी करवाना है. सिर्फ ऐसा बोल के जरूरी नहीं है कि मेन्यू में ये मिलेगा करके. You have to also serve that, right? अगर कोई आपको होटल वाले अगर दे रहे मेन्यू दे रहे एंड देन आउट ऑफ ऑल दोस 10 मेन्यू यू आर नॉट गेटिंग 9 ऑफ इट, यू आर ओनली गेटिंग 1 ऑफ इट, व्हाट डज इट मीन? वो मेन्यू फिर क्यों रखा है? यू आस्क नो. सेम थिंग, अगर मेन्यू में कुछ छापा है तो वो आपके टेबल पे होना भी चाहिए. सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग विथ योर ऑल्सो. इफ राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन इज देयर इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बुक देन इट शुड बी गिवन आउट टू यू. Okay, so if that is happening then it is a good hallmark, right? It is a good thing. वो एक अच्छी बात है good governance का. Okay, then you can say the government is a very good government. It is working in a very good way and we can trust them. Okay, Then, right to information has made the government more transparent and has reduced the element of secrecy in the working of government. So, India has done that and इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि right to information की वजह से जो government और जो citizens हैं उनके बीच में जो भी secrecy था, जो secret चीजें चल रही थी वो हद तक कम हो चुकी है and then government अभी अच्छे से work कर रहा है and it has reduced the element, okay? It has reduced the element of secrecy in the working of the government and it has given out the transparent nature, okay? Transparent nature government का जो है वो और ज़्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है. See, as you see in the picture, it's a comic picture, okay? उसमें क्या लिखा है? Hey, Mr. Government, official wants going on under there, okay? And then there is a clock of secrecy. This was there earlier, okay? ये पहले था. Now it is there at till some extent, but still we can say कि it has reduced, okay? As we say, it has reduced the element, okay? So this is a clock of secrecy and then trust me, you don't need to know. This was happening earlier. Now, to some extent, it has reduced. Okay, now we can see under उसके वो clock के under, so clock of secrecy के under क्या हो रहा है करके we can see. Okay, then so after the year 2000, the whole approach towards democratic reforms has changed. तो 2000 के बाद जो year 2000 था उसके बाद बहुत सारे changes आ चुके हैं like democratic reforms के वजह से and then lots of things have changed. Like democratic reforms are considered as rights of human. Okay, तो rights of citizens बना दिया. So जो भी democratic reforms है उसको पूरा का पूरा change कर दिया and then they have renamed it and they have changed it to rights of citizens. Okay, they have changed it to rights of citizens which is like very important. Okay. तो उसके वजह से now people are having all rights, right to freedom, right to talk, right to write, right to speak, right to know, right to information, right to walk, right to like do anything. Okay, so that's how it is happening now. Okay, then accordingly citizens in India have got what? So citizens of India has got many rights. Okay, बहुत सारे rights है, right of education है, right to speech है, there are lots of things. So we are listing few out of them. So likewise we are having right to education, as I told you, right to education hai, then we are having right to information, that is RTI Act, then we are having also right to food. Okay, that means food security bhi hai. We are also having food security and there are lots of rights. Okay, these are very few and बहुत important rights, that's why we have showing this. Okay, so and we are having many more rights. Okay, so these rights have strengthened democracy in India. Obviously ये जो भी rights है they have strengthened the democracy. We have to be aware about these things. Okay, so I hope this much is very clear. Now in the next session or the next video you will be knowing about do you know session. Okay, so for that you have to wait. I hope the RTI session is very clear, RTI 2005, and you are very much aware and clear about this thing in very good manner. So for more the upcoming videos, for the do you know video, you have to wait. Okay, for more such videos you have to stay tuned with Study Live. Thank you.